Welcome to quiz time. 10 questions. Let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What is the largest bird? A. Ostrich. B. Emu. C. Andean condor. D. Cassowary. The answer is A. Ostrich. Ostriches are the fastest birds on land and lay the largest eggs of any living bird species. Question 2. What causes a rainbow? A. Sunlight refracting and reflecting within water droplets. B. Electrical charges in storm clouds. C. Dust particles scattering moonlight. D. Chemical reactions in the upper atmosphere. The answer is A. Sunlight refracting and reflecting within water droplets. Each water droplet acts like a tiny prism, bending sunlight and splitting it into its visible colors. Question 3. What is the largest star? A. Stephenson 218. B. UY Scuti. C. Betelgeuse. D. The Sun. The answer is A. Stephenson 218. Stephenson 218 is so immense it would engulf Jupiter's orbit if placed in our solar system. Question 4. What animal lives the longest? A. Greenland shark. B. African elephant. C. Giant tortoise. D. Bowhead whale. The answer is A. Greenland shark. The Greenland shark can live for up to 500 years, making it the longest living known vertebrate. Question 5. What is the fastest bird? A. Peregrine falcon. B. Golden eagle. C. Common swift. D. Ostrich. The answer is A. Peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon can reach speeds over 200 miles per hour during its hunting dive, known as a stoop. Question 6. What is the largest desert? A. Antarctic polar desert. B. Sahara desert. C. Arabian desert. D. Gobi desert. The answer is A. Antarctic polar desert. Despite its ice, the Antarctic polar desert is Earth's driest continent, receiving very little precipitation. Question 7. What animal has the best memory? A. Elephants. B. Dolphins. C. Chimpanzees. D. Dogs. The answer is A. Elephants. Elephants can remember specific routes to water sources for decades and recognize other elephants after many years. Question 8. What is the brightest star? A. Sirius. B. Polaris. C. Betelgeuse. D. Rigel. The answer is A. Sirius. Sirius is also known as the dog star, as it is the brightest star in the constellation Canis Major.
Question 9. What is the largest flower? A. Rafflesia arnoldi. B. Sunflower. C. Titan arum. D. Giant water lily.
The answer is A. Rafflesia arnoldi. Rafflesia arnoldi is known for its immense size and strong odor, often called the corpse flower. Question 10. What animal can fly backwards? A. Hummingbird. B. Bat. C. Dragonfly. D. Swallow. The answer is A. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can truly fly backward, allowing them to precisely maneuver. Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes every day.